What the? Oh, there's two. Oh, so he a clone. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, reactdpj. Yes, sir. We taking trips to Alabasta. You know how we roll. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me see how the song really go, so I can get it right. Yeah, we taking trips to Alabasta. Hey, I ain't trying to get copyright on here, but I got it now. We taking trips to Alabasta to clear Vivi's country. Please forgive. Let me just get into the reaction. We in Alabasta. I'm excited. It took like what? 2 arcs to get here? Mini arcs? We had to stop at Little Garden, Drum Kingdom. Now we in Alabasta, baby. Damn, that's what they going through? Hold on. Is that pirates or that's the people of the country? Like they're like Civil War that they got going on. Yo, it's giving me Princess Jasmine vibes. All these countries are just different. Wait, what? Oh, Vivi did tell us about this, like he fooling the people. Yo, so is it a setup? Wow, he got a hook. Captain Hook. Bro, he really a pig, real talk. Let's see what this dude's about. Oh, first quarter? Come on, nah, that's way too easy. How'd he do that? Like, is he a devil fruit user too? Bro, he gosh, I'm stuttering. He took them all out that easily? I can't even get my words out. Now I understand that he took them pirates out, but what about the civilians? Oh, he aged them boys. No, this guy's not y'all savior. Stop that. So did he rob the town or he robbed the pirates? Wait, hold on. I'm confused. The king is in it? Bruh. He stays stealing people food. Played him. Ah, I knew that was coming. Oh, they got a rat trap. A larger one. They're the they all ate the food too. I thought Luffy was the only one. Nah, they using they're using him as bait. Oh, Vivi about to be done with them. Oh yeah, Nami know everything. For real, Nami knows so much. Bro, what happened to all them dinosaurs they had? And they were on a cold island, so anything like that meat should have been like preserved. Damn, bro got a speedboat. Wait, how'd he go missing that? What? What a bird brain. Devil fruit user? I mean, he is kind of clumsy. He probably really can't swim. Yeah, bro really look clumsy.
いやー、本当にスープを一杯いただけるかしら。
For real. They're starving.
あら、あなた、かわゆいわね。好みよ、食べちゃいたい。
Yo, Sanji about to.
おめえ泳げねえんだ。
悪魔の実を食べたのよ。へえ、どんな実なんだ？
Bro, like, what kind of devil fruit he
これ
ate?
が血の能力よ。
What the? Yo, I like how Zoro stay on demon time.
待って待って待って。
Wait, what?
じゃないわよ。あ、
What the? Oh, there's two.
触れば。
ほら元通り。
Oh, so. Oh, he a clone. He takes everything. Oh my God! Stop with that mouth. That mouth. It looks weird. Oh, even got to see the titties flashed in first quarter. Wait, what is a memory feature? Oh, that's Vivi's dad. Hold on. Oh yeah, he does work for the freaking Baroque people. Oh my God, shave them legs at least. Hey, you know Luffy gonna take that friendship thing to the heart. Oh, now they're shook.
あいつがミスター2ボンクル。愛の能力も知らないし、噂には聞いていたのに。白鳥のコートを愛用して、背中には。
The type of power you can do with that.
どうしたんだ、ビビ？顔があったわ。アラバスタ国王ネフェルタリコ。
例えば王になりすませるとしたら。
You can do so many things, yeah, with that type of power.
敵と認識しちゃったら、さっきのメモリーでこの中の誰、私たち仲間を信用できなくなる。
必要はねえって点では正しい。
That's true.
今あいつに会えたことをラッキーだと考えるべきだ。
Hey, Zoro is smart.
友情見つけたのよ。
Whoa, what is happening? Oh my, what the is that? Sea cat? Oh, they're hungry. So, oh, the cat done switched up. Them boys are hungry. The cat knew it just messed up. Them boys are hungry. Whoa! Why did Vivi clock them? That was food. Why not? Oh, okay then. Wait, how the heck did Usopp get there? He ain't get hit, did he? Oh my goodness, no, Chopper is so gullible. What cat? Oh my goodness. Yo. Bro really dropped a low on this one. He told them to pull up. Nah, that's really gonna be a fight though. Oh, Usopp on demon time right now. I mean, everybody fighting.
仲間を疑わずに済むわね。
そんなに似ちまうのか？禁されちまうと。
そりゃもう似るなんて問題じゃねえよ。俺たちなんか一緒に踊ったほどだ。
俺は男のバレリーナに。
部活に単独行動も取れねえからな。
He's one that talks. He always gets lost.
逃げてよし。
おめえ、それ自分に言ってねえか。
Even the bird knows. The bird be on that timing too though. Hey, we in Alabasta.
とにかくこれから何が起こる仲間の印だ
So, what is on their left arm? Are they not
上
gonna
陸するぞ召し合えあとアラバスタ
to arrest their arm first?
殺集団なのよルフィあそうだな本能での行動を慎んで分かった
I'm happy. Okay, look at Vivi so happy. She excited that she picked up like a strong gang.